Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. Then again 21 minus 8 is equal to also 13. Now 13 multiply 13 is equal to 169. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 21 minus 8. Now solve this parenthesis. 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. Here is multiplication, so multiply 13. Okay, is equal to, now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so 13 multiply 8. So now 21 minus 8 multiply 13 is equal to 104. Okay, so now 104 minus 21. Okay, sorry, 21 minus 104 is equal to minus 83. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 83. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.